Hi, my name is Praveen Kumar. I'm a field marketing manager with the Dell Technologies Client Solutions Group. Your gracious presence means a lot to us. My team actually consults with customers on various workforce strategies amidst this turbulence and challenging times. Rewind 3 years back, we all saw what it took for work from home or work from anywhere situation. But the world has evolved today. As Michael Dell puts it, there is no post-pandemic world. We are right now living within and middle of it. We learn to live from anywhere. We learn to work from anywhere. At the same time, organizations are now striving to understand what it takes to expand their businesses across geographies, hire people from wherever they want to, deploy them where the business needs them to. At the same time, how can productivity increase from a work from anywhere situation using intelligence? The theme of today is all about artificial intelligence and the intelligence which Dell Technologies right now advises enterprise, not just large ones, but also medium businesses like you, to inculcate in your day-to-day practice so that your workforce is happy. Industry survey says 85% or even more respondents have said that if the organization does not give them a proper experience, they are bound to quit the organization. So it's a land of millennial. There are more youth people today in this country than before. What it takes to retain them or what it takes to hire them centers around technology and most importantly, the user experience which they get out of this endpoint ecosystem. Here, today, let's take a quick look at how can you elevate this user experience using various options available. First, if you consider what makes an user experience better in today's world, it's about intelligent solutions. It's about eliminating guesswork. You don't have room for trial and error today. At the same time, if your employees are moving, if your business is moving across geographies, you need to ensure there is seamless access, seamless security protection. At the same time, managing your IT infrastructure from one particular location or centrally. You don't have to invest now on a large IT team just to manage your infrastructure. Keep the lights on is more and more easier when you make it intelligent. With that note, Dell Technologies in a big survey, we did a lot of interviews, close interviews, we did a survey, and what we figured, typically the organizations and the users have responded is it's no longer a fixed PC requirement, a mobile employee, or a creative producer, and so on and so forth. The workforce persona has evolved post the pandemic. Now, Dell Technologies believes in these 4 personas which shapes your business and shapes your workforce ecosystem. One is the builder. Builder actually builds your business. They create and execute strategy within your organization. This could be your CXOs. This could be the business owners. Next is the connector. They connect between multiple teams and ensure collaboration. Enabling progress is key on their day-to-day work or job operations. Specialists are those smaller little group of people who actually specializes in a particular skill set. They could be creative, graphics users. They could be analysts in your organizations who are providing you with insights and so on and so forth. But here's the catch. More than 50% of the workforce are actually producers who develop content, who develop results, who execute the strategy developed by the builder. So the producers are the largest set of any organization today. Now this survey is completely data-driven and analytical. We use artificial intelligence and machine learning. We use several tools to understand the workforce usage, decide, put them into the design thinking process, and then we develop our products every year basis on how we can make these personas a little far better than it was earlier. But now that we have understood the personas, now you understood how your employees needs to work or which category they fall into, how do you understand their day-to-day usage? How do you understand what they need to perform a task better? Different users have different needs. At Dell Technologies, we believe in a strong philosophy that one size does not fit all. Definitely said, every user has its own unique pattern of working. Some users demand snappy application performance. It doesn't matter if the laptop battery lasts longer or shorter. It's all about faster task completion. Some users definitely connect from wherever they want, and they need to ensure that the connectivity is not broken. It needs a reliable connectivity. And some users perform basic tasks and they look at for longer battery life. And some, they all worry about seamless productivity. The organization should not be impaled because of my productivity not available from a particular region or a particular time zone. Now, with this philosophy, how many designs or how many product decisions can you take? Can you now, with these insights, decide what is required? Even when you decide what is it required for your entire organization with different business groups, different personas, what really happens when you fall short? This is where the concept of artificial intelligence and machine learning helps you to organize and produce better results. What we call the Dell Optimizer has evolved over the last couple of years. We were the first company in the end user PC in commercial environment to imbibe AI and machine learning and get it into commercial productivity betterment. At Dell Optimizer, we use data, and the intelligence is data driven, which enhances the user experience even before they ask the IT for any kind of a challenging situation. Here's how it works. The Dell Optimizer is a plethora of collection of features within a single tool. It has an intelligent ecosystem. Every single feature is driven by intelligence. It gives you intelligent privacy. It gives you Express Connect for you to have seamless connectivity, like we discussed a while back for a particular user. It gives you intelligent audio capability to eliminate those noise and echo which happens in a Zoom or a Microsoft Teams meeting. Express Charge keeps your laptop charged faster and quicker, and you can move faster wherever you need to. Express Sign-in capabilities provide seamless accessibility into your device without you even having laid fingers on it, with help of proximity sensor and Windows 10 Hello features. Express Response is the most ultimate performance enhancement feature in this, where it uses machine learning to enhance the machine's performance. More and more important for organizations like you, how this Dell Optimizer can provide insights in a dashboard format or data for your IT decision maker to decide the future course of correction. Let's take a brief look into each one of these features shortly. Express Response, like I explained this before, is a beautiful feature which leverages machine learning to enhance the application's performance. Now, the user or the IT administrator has a decision to do. You can either automate it or you can manually point up to 5 different applications which you believe the user will need. The machine learning kicks in, understands the entire process of the resource allocation. It also needs how much of computing, how much of memory, how much of storage. It then faster decides over the go. After a few days, all that the user sees is enhanced performance. Intelligent privacy is the next level of intelligence, from evolving from a manual privacy filter to an electronic filter. Now it comes with onlooker detection and look-away detection. It can easily detect if somebody is prying on your screen, protect the data by either dimming or blurring the screen so that the other person cannot see that. Express Connect is a beautiful feature when you are connecting from anywhere. Imagine a situation where you want to work from a remote location and you have a drilling noise from your neighbor. If you can use intelligence to cancel out anything which is on a background noise, it's beautiful. Now, what happens if your network connectivity drops? You need to find manually the next best router or a Wi-Fi hotspot and switch over to this. If I say that the machine can understand what is the best signal strength available, and if it connects to the next hotspot automatically, or even within the same router, it connects between different bands, seamlessly switches between them, so that you finish your meeting without any interruption. That's what is Express Connect. And the concept which I explained to you a while back in terms of noise cancellation and echo reduction, or echo cancellation and noise reduction for that matter, using neural noise cancellation is all available in intelligent audio. Now, is it about only performance and manageability of the laptops? Not just that. 99% of ransomware attacks actually originate from the endpoint devices. All it takes for an employee is to click one unsolicited email to bring your enterprise network down. With that, what you need to involve is a zero trust security platform. Dell is the only company today across all of its technologies, whether it is infrastructure solutions or client solutions, it deploys zero trust capabilities. From a traditional approach, as long as you are inside the environment, it is authenticated. But in a zero trust approach, it actually authenticates every time, continuously, and re-authenticates it all the time. So continuous zero trust capability is very, very important for employees today. At Dell Technologies, we believe in something called a Dell Trusted Device. We call this industry's more secure commercial platforms, not just about the operating system. We have various other solutions which comes out of the boxes, but also about below the operating system at the hardware level. Thank you so much for listening in and understanding how intelligence, AI, machine learning can enhance your employees' productivity and what it could make sense for your organization when you embark on your growth journey. Thank you once again.